All right. Today is going to be another short module. I don't see any reason why you couldn't all finish the work for this module in class. There's an assignment associated with it, but it's going to be very quick. Today we're going to start talking about Python modules. We've been using modules off and on. Mostly, the most frequently used module that we've played around with is the random module. And modules are one of the things that make Python so great, because what it allows us to do is to extend the Python language much further than it was originally intended to go. So it allows Python to grow at a very rapid pace and do some very experimental things. And sometimes, occasionally, if somebody creates a module or something for Python that has some functionality that is really amazing and everybody loves it, they'll just roll it into the Python language at some point. They'll make it part of the mainstream. But the great thing about Python modules is not only do they exist, but they're actually quite easy to make. So it allows you to do some things with Python code that will be useful to you.